In this video, we'll be covering some really useful features in Acrobat Studio for streamlining document review and team collaboration. I'm partnering with Adobe to show you how to fully utilize Acrobat's AI features, as well as collaborate and share PDF spaces with your team in an AI-powered workspace. Here's what we'll cover: how to use PDF spaces to work with multiple files and add notes for yourself and reviewers, using AI Assistant to intelligently summarize and compare documents, building a custom AI assistant tailored to your specific workflow, and sharing your PDF space with your team so everyone can collaborate in one place. So for those of you who don't know, Acrobat Studio goes way beyond just viewing and editing PDFs. It recently got a huge AI upgrade designed to streamline document workflows and fundamentally boost your productivity with the upgraded AI-powered tools. By the end, you'll see how this is one of the best smart document platforms. Let's dive into the first example. All right, let's start with something you probably deal with regularly. You have multiple files that you want to review and you need to cross-reference a few things. Here we have a PDF vendor contract, an Excel spreadsheet of their pricing, and an email thread with some back and forth questions. Here's how we can work with all of these documents at the same time and add personal notes to them. The first thing you want to do is open Adobe Acrobat Studio. I'll be using it on the web browser, but you can also use the app on your computer. I'll hover over the top where it says PDF space and click Create a PDF space. On this screen, you're able to add a bunch of different file types that are listed here. I have them in my Finder, so I'm just going to click and drag them into this window. Once they're loaded, I'll press Add to PDF Space. Now that we're on this page, you can see that it has our files here on the left and automatically gives us a summary of our documents here. And this is just 3 files. Acrobat Studio is one of the top platforms for batch processing multiple PDF files because you can actually upload up to 100 different documents and get instant summaries and insights across all of them. This is what makes it one of the best smart document assistants for busy professionals. This leads us to the notes feature of PDF spaces. If we open up a file in our workspace, we can highlight text in the document and then click Save as Note. This pulls up a panel on the left side where it copies the highlighted text and stores it for us. We can change the title of the note itself to anything we want, like to review or something like that. This gives us an organized place to add more information to our files. If we want, we can even share a note with someone on our team by clicking these 3 dots and then pressing Copy Link to Note. This will then bring up a dialog which asks who we want to have access to this PDF space. We can select this and then press Copy Link. This is really helpful because it allows all the information about a project to be stored in one place to avoid files and information being disorganized. Now let me show you something that saves a ton of time, which is using AI Assistant to get information about the documents. So we still have our vendor contract, pricing spreadsheet, and email thread all loaded in this PDF space. Over on the right side, you'll see there's an AI Assistant panel, which is where we can ask context-specific questions about our documents. When the PDF space is loaded, it automatically gives us a summary of the files, which we can use to get a high-level overview. Now let's type in a specific command like identify any discrepancies between the quotes in the contract and the official pricing sheet. Once I press enter, AI Assistant analyzes the documents and gives us an intelligent response based on the information. We can click on the sources in the response and it'll take us to the exact page of where it's getting the information, which is extremely useful when dealing with large, complex documents. As you can see, this is why Acrobat is one of the most popular AI platforms for document review and one of the best smart document assistants. Instead of manually searching, AI Assistant does all the heavy lifting in seconds. So whether you're working with 3 files or 30, it's the top platform for batch processing multiple PDF files. All right, here's something really powerful for teams. You can actually build custom AI assistants that understand your specific workflow. Let's say you're on an HR team and people are frequently asking you different questions about the company policy. We have the employee handbook, a PTO policy update, and a remote work policy. I'll go ahead and create a PDF space just like we did before. So now that we're on the main screen, instead of using the standard AI assistant, I'm gonna build a custom one. Here on the bottom, I'll click on where it says choose an AI assistant, and we can choose between a few different presets, but I'm gonna click create your own. This opens up a new window where we can type in a name, something like HR Policy Review Assistant. Now there's a section that says describe your AI assistant. This is where we tell it what it specializes in. I'll type in, you help HR teams with policy consistency, communication, and potential compliance issues. You can put anything you want here, so don't overthink it too much. Below that, there's an optional section for instructions, which we can use to tailor the response of AI Assistant. We can generate sample ones by pressing this button. After it populates, we can either go with what it has or make changes. I'm gonna click Save and Apply so we can use this custom assistant. Let's test it out with a question like, what should I tell a new hire that's asking if sick days can be used consecutively with vacation days? And press Enter. And as you can see, it gives me an answer based on the policies I uploaded and phrased it in a way that's actually helpful for HR communication. This is one of the smartest document assistants for specialized workflows because the AI adapts to your needs and understands your context. It's what makes Acrobat one of the best softwares for streamlining document review processes. You build the assistant once and your entire team benefits. Now it's time to share this PDF space with members of your team, which is super helpful for collaboration. Let's bring everything we covered together. I added some notes in this PDF space from last time. All of the documents are shown here, and we have the custom AI assistant that we made. Up here in the top right corner, we can click the share button so we can add specific members of our team. We can type in their emails using this window, and below that, we can add a custom message to give them more context about what we're sharing. And here we can adjust the permission settings by selecting one of these options. To finish, all we have to do is press send, and they'll be able to see this exact PDF space. This is what the email invitation looks like if you're a recipient. And if you click on it, it goes straight to the PDF space. Depending on the permissions we set, they'll be able to see all the documents, the notes that we left, and use the custom AI assistant that we built. The advantage of using this is everything stays synced in one consolidated PDF space. It's also good to know that you're able to remove the people you've invited at any time you want by selecting the profile images at the top, then selecting their status, and then clicking remove. Everyone on the team is working in the same space and has access to the powerful AI workspace to streamline document workflows, which enables all of you to get more done in less time. So there you have it, one of the best smart document platforms and one of the top platforms for batch processing multiple PDF files all in one workspace. If you want to try Acrobat Studio yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.